Hello and welcome to this Make It in Minutes Monday card. We are going to be making this very bright spring happy smile card using Daffodil Delight cardstock, some basic white cardstock, the cute fruit stamp set. We're specifically going to be using the pineapple and our little tiny smile stamp. And the only ink you're going to need for this is the Melon Mambo, Daffodil Delight, and Garden Green ink. So to get started, all of our measurements are going to be on our blog, so make sure that you go over there, which is in the link of the description of this video, and check out all the measurements. But we're going to get started with our basic white cardstock, and I already have my stamps mounted on my blocks. And I'm going to take my pineapple and we're going to just stamp them all over the basic white cardstock. And then we're going to take our Melon Mambo and stamp Smile in the gaps of the pineapples. Then we're going to adhere our basic white cardstock onto our Daffodil Delight cardstock. And then our final step, we are going to add rhinestones to the front of the card. And this is the final version of the card. I really hope you enjoyed this really fast and simple card using just ink and paper. And if you did, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. For more pictures and measurements, be sure to visit our blog, which is in the description of this video. Thanks!